Hi, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to connect vertex path in Blender. It may be a really useful function in some 3D projects, so if you would like to do it, we need to create a new object here, and then we need to change mode from object mode to edit mode. After that, we need to select this one option, vertex selection mode. We need to click on it, and now you need to select one vertex and press and hold Shift from your keyboard. Then you need to select second vertex, and now we need to press J from our keyboard. Like you see, the path has been successfully created here. So for example, you can use E to extrude this path, or you can use G to grab this path. So how you see, it is really working. If I helped you to do it, do not forget to subscribe my channel and like this tutorial, because it really supports my work. If you have any questions, include them in comment under this video. And that's all for today. Thank you for watching my tutorials and see you in the next videos.